A surprise from your boyfriend is always nice. I'm blushing with all this love. Meet our sweet, happy couples. Redhead and Bruce are from downtown. And Sean and Laura are from the suburbs. Thanks for coming over for Valentine's Day. Take some love fortune cookies. How cute! The cookies are for me, and the predictions are for you. Oh, this is definitely about our relationship. Do you remember that one Valentine's Day when... I'll tell you the story right now. I decided to leave a surprise for Redhead in the most unexpected place. Attach double-sided tape to toilet paper. Sprinkle it with a lot of glitter on top. Put the toilet paper into a gift box. Tie colored twine around and decorate it with flowers. Sweetheart, we are out of toilet paper. Honey, open the box. Fine, let's check out this bathroom surprise. Whoa, look at that! My boyfriend has a great sense of humor. And now, guess who? What a great story! Don't touch! I'll take it myself. What a prediction! I love you so much! Do you remember the time you gave me a crochet book with a surprise? My sweetheart will be so happy! Put a tablet into a hardcover notebook. Trace it along the outlines. Cut out a hollow with a utility knife. Put in the tablet. Attach a printed book cover that says, Crochet for Beginners. Decorate with a ribbon and a bow. Oh no! I'll save you! Oh, it hurts so bad! That was the bravest thing someone ever did for a tablet! High five, Sean! You're my hero! Let's see what else we have in these fortune cookies. Oh, this reminded me of a funny zombie story that happened one Valentine's Day. Do you remember, babe? A zombie fell head over heels in love with me, and she decided to give me her heart. Cut 2 ovals that are narrower at the bottom out of soft plastic. Seal the pieces together using a flat iron. Put in red slime. Add slime into 2 pieces of red and blue pipe. Put in the pipes at the sides to be arteries and seal the edges shut. Paint blood vessels with a dark color. Paint the edges red. Are you sure this is for me? How generous! You shouldn't have! And here's my significant other. What's that? You stole someone's heart already? You are such a womanizer! Honey, she's not even alive. And what did you get, Sean? Oh, babe, do you remember that time with a candy jar? That was hilarious! Valentine's Day was right around the corner, and I gave my sweetheart a week's worth of M&Ms. Put a perfume bottle into a jar. Sanitize it. Put in M&Ms. Cover it with a crepe paper cup and tie a ribbon around. Oh, my favorite candy! I have a surprise for you too! Here, this is a pillow that smells like me. You're welcome! The candy is almost out, And here's the surprise! The actual gift! Perfume! How adorable! Yeah, honey, do you remember how cute it was? Of course! Oh, sweetheart, do you remember the time I surprised you with a precious lip balm? It was so bomb! Babe, happy Valentine's Day! You are the bomb! Clean an EOS container. Cut out the extra details with a modeling knife. Put in a gold bracelet and attach it to a thick card that says, "You're the bomb!" How surprising! What's inside? An expensive bracelet? Oh, babe! You were so cute and unpredictable! And you were the best! I want to tell all of Instagram about it! That was a great story! I think I'm gonna have another cookie! What's the prediction? Oh, Sean! Do you remember the time a surprise fell right on your foot? That was hilarious! Put wireless headphones into a case and attach it to a brick using double-sided foam tape. Tie a ribbon around the brick. Honey, this is for you! A brick? Why? Ah, I see! This is just a wrapper for headphones! Sean, you are the best! This hurts more than love! Let's see what prediction we'll get! Redhead, do you remember that bouquet on last Valentine's Day? Unwrap a Chupa Chups. Cut the loop off a little plastic ball using a heated utility knife. Press in a hole with the tip of a hot glue gun. Put in earrings. Close the ball. Put in confetti. Glue a plastic stick into the hole. Make 2 candies. Put marshmallows onto skewers. Also put a chocolate bar onto a skewer. Assemble a sweet bouquet. Wrap it in gift wrapper and tie a ribbon around it. Honey, happy Valentine's Day! There are a lot of calories in this bouquet. That's cute! Do you want me to gain some weight? You were so caring! Come on, try at least 1 candy. You'll love it, I promise! What's that? New earrings? Oh, what a sweet and amazing surprise! I'll tell you another story while Laura's not here. One time she gave me beautiful headphones as a gift. Not really as a gift, she actually took my AirPods and decorated them. She coated my manly wireless headphones with polish and sprinkled them with glitter. And of course, she decorated them with hearts on top. It was Valentine's Day after all. Of course, I was happy about this gift. Why wouldn't I be? It's dangerous to argue with her. And one time, Redhead ordered a special pizza delivery for Bruce, the most expensive pizza in the world. Roll dollar bills. Fasten them with paper clips at the edges. Place bills into a pizza box in a circle. Make the crust out of the rolls. Put a Valentine's Day card and hearts onto the money pizza. Bon appetit! Whoa! Now those are great ingredients! Thanks for this generous present, sweetie! We had such a fun time with you! Thanks for the good memories! Take this little goodbye gift from us. Cut a heart out of thick cardboard. Draw jigsaw puzzle pieces on it and cut them out with a utility knife. Print each piece pink. Put the heart back together and add a label with black paint. Put the jigsaw puzzles into a box. Decorate it with colored twine and flowers. This is so cute! Thanks! We wonder what's inside. Pink jigsaw puzzles? How creative! We can put our love together! And meanwhile, Bruce prepared another Valentine's Day surprise. Melt chocolate in a microwave. Coat the inside of a detachable plastic heart mold with a layer of chocolate. Refrigerate it to cool. Take out the chocolate heart. Prepare the other half the same way. Put a ring into a Ziploc bag and put it into the mold. Fasten the halves together with melted chocolate and put it into a box. Decorate it with a ribbon and flowers. What's in the box? How interesting! Open up, come on! What's that? A sweet heart? Oh, this is so tasty and romantic! But that's not all yet! A ring? Are you serious? Of course I will! Did you like our cute gift ideas? Then comment below how you'd surprise your better half this Valentine's Day. Would you hide jewelry and candy? Tie headphones to a brick? Or make glittery toilet paper? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new ideas for couples from Troom.